How about a roach?
Ooh, we've got one of those too.
Funny about that, so do we. And here he is now, our very own Yves St.
Bonjour, my petite animal friends. Today, I, Yves St. have prepared my most magnificent meal for today's guests, the fish of the world. Since there are so many fish in the sea, I have cooked up a huge meal of kelp casserole, plankton pot roast, and algae arrabbiata. Now all we need are the fish to eat it. Here is the food, the pot roast, the casserole, and the arrabbiata. But where are the fishies? Here, fishy, 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 fishy. Here, fishy, 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 fishy. Here, fishy, fishy, fishy.
There's no need to shout. We're not deaf. Come on, boys.
What? Sacre bleu fish.
Red fish, blue fish.
Those are two fish.